Hello everyone and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. So we're looking at gold here. So we've actually reached 1800. Again, this is a very big moment for gold, as a lot of people were speculating that it would rise. Now, we were looking at a potential move to the downside way early on here. And again, we were wrong to predict that, because now looking at the bigger picture, we can see that we were in a terminal triangle pattern here. And now this was so we labeled this as the fifth wave, but again, looking at this in a more collective now is what we can see. This is the fourth wave. So now what I'm looking for now is for 5 waves to complete to the upside, and then once this completes, we will be waiting for the ABC correction. Now, the ABC correction has to retrace and form into this level here, within at least 1760, or it has to retrace at 0.618 of the whole fifth wave once complete. So we can't see right now. I do believe that the fifth wave will be an extension, so this would mean it will have 5 waves individually. So it could look something like this. So say this is the first wave, this could be the second, the third, fourth, and then fifth. Again, these channels that I've got drawn here, there are some guidance, so you can use these to predict roughly where we are looking, at the ending point. So again, it really just matters how price is able to continue and respect this trend line, of course, on the upper level. And again, we will be looking at 5 waves to the upside, so that's what I will be looking for. And then once that fifth wave is complete, I'll be waiting for the drop. Now, again, say if this was the completion of the fifth wave, I will be expecting at least a 0.618 for A to come in line. So this comes in line with this zone support here. So this could be A, and then of course whatever happens to B and then C. So again, if you have missed this push to the upside, again, don't worry, you can look at the second wave and the fourth wave if you do really want to get in on this move. But I believe that finding this A wave will be still tradable. So again, I'm really respecting these upper levels and upper trend line levels to see if it can push and see if it can respect in between these lines before we wait for this drop. Okay, the main thing we want to see is if it can actually close and below this trend line here, which is the 2-4 line. So if that does happen, again, that will be significant, and again, this would be labeled as A, and then B, and then C here. Of course, there will be variation of the length of how much A retraces, and of course B could be a much higher retracement or a lower retracement. It just really depends how gold really respects. But again, that's what I'm looking at, and this is what I can see. So again, there is plenty of moves here in from what we're seeing right now to this ABC correction. So don't worry about if you feel like you've missed this move. You can look at the wait for the second wave and then potentially enter on the conjunction that's going to push to the further upside. So again, you could scope to a lower time frame, perhaps 1 hour or 15 minutes, and look at some lower level patterns, and again, look for entry to the upside. So again, possibilities are endless with with the right now. This is what I'm looking at. So if there are any updates, we will give you that update video for you. But if you're new to this channel or you're a new trader, we have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description below. Feel free to join that. We give you our chart perspectives, our analysis, more news, and again, it's just there for you to kind of learn more from us. If you do have a question for us, I'm more than happy to help. All you have to do is message us on our Instagram, which is at KMTRADERS, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for all of our future analysis videos. And thank you very much for listening to this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.